Hey yo, what up people? This is your boy Jason J Kicks. Today guys, I want to give you a lace swap video on the new Jordan 3 Fears. I was going outside to record a video, but it's cold as hell. The weather today, oh man, I can't go outside. Sorry, but I'm gonna give you that dope lace swap on these shoes to show you how this look with different color laces, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make this pop. But you gotta let me know by the end of the video which was your favorite color laces, because even inside it's not easy be swapping laces over and over. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more content, and without much more to say, enjoy this lace swap.